Hey there guys, this is Cliff again from RVs of Sacramento's YouTube channel. Today we're looking at a classic rear living floor plan, the Jayco Jay Flight 265 RLSW. We'll jump right in here. We'll step to the back and we'll look at the reclining chairs with a nice table in between. There it is, the big picture window that you can open up to really enjoy that breeze by the river or the ocean. This is a couple's trailer, but it will sleep at least 4 full-sized adults. This sofa does convert to a bed. Of course, you have nice cup holders for when you're enjoying your entertainment in the evening. Stepping up front here with a dinette. This also converts to a bed when you're not using it for to have your meals or to play cards or board games. You have storage beneath each dinette booth. But I think that what I really like about this is just the open floor plan. When you step back, you have your entertainment area up front there. You have this nice corner kitchen layout. Lots of cabinet space up here. Decent number of drawers. Huge sink, gooseneck faucet. Your Furrion oven and stove, and of course your microwave. This unit comes with a Norcold refrigerator. Of course your TV that we talked about up front, and your Bluetooth stereo controller. The 265 has the floor plan where you pass through the bathroom to get to the bedroom, but it does provide for more an open feel. You have a large bathroom for changing. Course, huge corner shower, medicine cabinet, decent sized sink, towel hangers. And then wow, look at this, just a lot of space for towels and storage. Then up front you have, of course, your bedroom. This is a decent sized queen walk around bed. Lots of nightstand space if you had a CPAP you needed to have out there. Of course, your phones or your books or anything. A lot I like about this unit too is it has a separate exit up front from the master bedroom. This is at the front of the trailer. It could serve as an entrance obviously too. There's your solar controller. This unit is equipped with solar. Just really a great floor plan. You know, front to back. There's your on-demand hot water system. Beats the old days. You always have hot water basically with the new system. So again, this has been the Jayco Jay Flight 265 RLSW. This model is on clearance. This has been Cliff. I've enjoyed showing this to you. If you have any questions about the availability or pricing, be sure to scan the QR code on the screen or call the phone number listed at the top. I've enjoyed showing you this, and I look forward to seeing you again.